Looking for eco-friendlier alternatives to standard cold tar mix for driveway and pothole repair is a smart move for environmentally conscious homeowners. Many suppliers now offer recycled cold patch mixes made from reclaimed asphalt pavement, which reduces landfill waste and uses far less virgin material than traditional cold tar. Bio-based patch products replace petroleum binders with plant-derived oils and resins, which lowers greenhouse gas intensity and often reduces odor during application. For best results, clean the repair area thoroughly by removing loose debris and drying the surface as much as possible because moisture and loose material prevent adhesion. Compact the material firmly using a hand tamper or vehicle weight and apply in thin layers rather than one thick fill to avoid future settling. Store any leftover material in a sealed container out of direct sunlight because bio-based binders can oxidize faster than petroleum binders and lose workability. Always check technical data sheets for temperature range and cure time, since recycled and bio-based mixes can have different application windows than standard cold tar. Homeowners often assume recycled mixes will perform exactly like new asphalt and then undercompact the patch. So tamping and layering fixes that by increasing density and load bearing. Another issue is using eco-friendly products in temperatures outside their recommended range, which leads to poor bonding. So verify the product specifications and schedule work during the acceptable temperature window, or choose a formula rated for colder conditions. Finally, people sometimes neglect drainage and surrounding edge preparation, which causes water intrusion and faster failure. So trim edges to a firm base and ensure surface runoff is directed away from the repair. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and material sources focused on practical projects like pavement repairs. And we host an active discussion community where members share product experiences and application tips. We help contractors find work by connecting them with project leads and homeowner inquiries.